It's late in the evening, ni Yakavi Sobu Mai. She's wondering what clothes to wear. Wow, so beautiful. She puts on her makeup, shining bright, and brushes her long blonde hair. Then she smiles at me and softly says, "What Yakavi, oh my, do I look alright?" And I say, "Yeah, no buleva, you look wonderful tonight." We go to a party, it's awesome there, and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady. Oh yeah, walking so close with me, stroll with me. Then she whispers low, "Vatava chico, do you feel alright?" And I say, "Yeah."